Hello friends, welcome to my channel FinStop. Now I am going to discuss about the topic financial planning. Financial planning is very important to each and every individual whose income ranges from thousands to crores. Without financial knowledge, one can end up with huge debts, but with proper financial planning, one can lead their lives very happily. Before going into the topic, one must know what is financial planning. Financial planning is a step by step approach to meet one's life goals. Financial planning will act as a guide throughout your life journey. Financial planning will help you to take control of your income, your expenses, your amount of savings, your investments to meet your financial goals. And why the financial planning is required? First, to meet and tackle your emergencies. Emergencies are the situations which are unexpectable or uncontrollable and it can occur at any time. Say at an accident or a medical emergency, it can happen at any time. You need proper financial planning so that you can have an emergency fund to tackle all your emergencies. Further, financial planning is required to achieve your goals, be it a family car, your own house, or it may be your children's marriage or education, financial goal, anything it may be. It varies from person to person. But financial planning will help you to invest the money in a proper manner so that you can achieve your financial goals. Next one is financial planning is very important so that it is required to beat the inflation. Inflation is the biggest destroyer of purchasing power. In India, inflation rate is around 6%. It is a fall in the value of the money because in India the population is getting increased day by day. It is increasing from 130 crores to 145 crores and it may be increasing to 150, then it may increase to 200, it may increase so on. That means in India the demand is getting increased day by day, but the resources and the production capacity and the facilities of manufacturing in India is very less, so that the supply is very less. So the demand is more, supply and less, thereby the value of the goods is getting increased, so thereby the money value is getting decreased. So a proper financial planning will help to you to beat the inflation. And financial planning is further required to fulfill your dreams. Suppose a person has a dream of having a home at beachside, and someone might have a dream of building his own garage, own house, and having a good property to enjoy his life. Some people might have a foreign trip. So financial planning help you to achieve your dreams. And financial planning is most importantly required for retirement planning. Many people of age from 20 to 30 might think why it is required to have a retirement plan, but investing the money from the age of 20 to 30, you will get a benefit of power of compounding which you will experience in the if you stay for a longer time. So don't waste time friends, start investing for your retirement plan. So the financial planning will help you to plan your retirement in a most comfortable way. Now I am going to explain you about 6 steps of financial planning. First step is determining your current financial situation. It means suppose an individual is having an income of 1 lakh and his other incomes may be coming around 10,000, 5,000, 20,000 from other means of income sources. So one must analyze his income situation, his financial situation simply. So if you know my income is 1 lakh, my monthly expenditure is 60,000, so I have balance of 40,000, so I can plan for 20,000 for savings, 20,000 for my future financial goals as an investment. So second step is developing financial goals. You need to write down what is your financial goal. Suppose you have a financial goal of to own a bike. Someone might have a financial goal of to own a beautiful house. So you need to develop the financial goal. Then third step is identifying the alternative courses of action. It means what is the step or platform so that you can invest the money through financial planning for your financial goals. You need to identify, say it a mutual fund, say it fixed deposit, say it anything else. You need to first identify these are the things you can invest in. Then step 4 is evaluating alternatives. It means suppose in fixed deposit in India, suppose say rate of interest is ranges from 6 to 7.5%. You need to use a calculator. If your goal is 10 lakhs, then you need to analyze it how many months it takes to achieve your financial goal. Say then stock market, mutual funds, anything you need to use. Suppose for mutual fund you need to use SIP calculator. For a amount of 1 crore you need to analyze how much amount you need to invest every month to meet your financial goal of 1 crore. So you need to evaluate each and every alternative so that you can find which method, say mutual fund or FD or anything else, will help you to meet your. Step 5, creating and implementing a financial action plan. Now you know your financial goal, you know alternative course of action, you know the method where you can invest so that you can get the money. So you need to implement the financial plan. Now you start investing. Suppose you want a car, you want to get invested through mutual fund. So start investing every month 5,000, suppose say. Then you need to implement the financial action plan. Then the most important step is sixth step, re-evaluating and revising the plan. You should not simply leave once you started investing and then you are leaving that financial plan. It is not at all the right method. You need to re-evaluate and rethink and revise the plan. Suppose after 1 year your financial goal is reduced from 1 lakh to 50,000. Then you have to write down my financial goal is only 50,000, and by investing with 10 months or 5 months I can easily get my financial goal. So in this manner you need to follow 6 steps of financial planning to achieve any financial goal. If you guys like the topic, please press the like button and please share to your friends, relatives, and please do mention in your comment about how did you like this video, or any modification or suggestions you can write in the comments. And most importantly guys, please do subscribe and please press the bell icon for the important notifications of our channel. Thank you guys.